Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm here with you with a new product that I use for my nighttime routine. And as you can see, I don't have any foundation on my skin. I actually have very bright, glowing, clear skin, and it wasn't always that way. So I've incorporated and tried and tested many different products recently, and so I've been using this new product. It is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and this is what it looks like. The bottle has about 3.38 fluid ounces. I'll make sure to link the product in the description box below, but what I do is use this after using my toner. After I wash my face, I put on some toner and I take a very generous amount and slap it all around my face and my neck. And it just gives me a lot of moisture. It has me waking up feeling really refreshed and having really plump skin. I have very dry skin, as I've mentioned before. Not sure if this will work if you have oily skin, but overall I've been seeing really great results throughout online and seeing reviews. This is probably the most popular item right now for your nighttime routine. It has 96% snail secretion filtrate, which is mucin, and this essence helps the skin to lose less moist while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. So people say that snail mucin is really great for your skin, for anti-aging properties, and for keeping moisture on the skin. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below if this really worked for you or if it didn't, and I would love to read all about it. So if you enjoyed watching this video and would like to learn about my new products and what I've been using on my skin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!